Hello, everyone. So, the fact that you've made it this far means you're willing to learn how to take your ideas from being just ideas to fully implemented ideas or a finished product. And it's actually very amazing. So, there's a fact that over 99% of ideas die as ideas. So, watching these videos is actually very nice, but implementation is always better. Implementation is always better. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you the right infrastructure to use. I mean, there's Supabase, there's Firebase, there's Google Cloud, there's AWS, there's Railway, there's Vercel. So all of these things are just there. So how can you use the right one and how can you use them for free till you have enough money to pay? All right, let's go. So we are going to ask for ChatGPT's recommendation. So we can say something like, map out the right infrastructure to use. So enter. So we are not giving it a condition yet. Just let it map it out. Just let it map it out. All right. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. This is actually good. So you have to check it out. I would love to use Node.js actually. Okay, cloud, AWS or Cloudflare. Okay, okay. So these are actually very, very good. Okay, so it has layered it out. So we're going to say we want to start for free. Suggest ones with free trials. So I already know the ones to use. Supabase, QStash. So I already know the ones to use, but you do not know. So this is how you do it. We want to start for free and start paying when we have returns. So just ones with free trials. So let's go. And efficiency. All right. Okay. All right. So can you say this is good? This is good. Okay. Okay, suggested Open AI instead of Google AI Studio. Oh wow, Cloudflare, that's good. Okay. Alright, so this is actually very incredible. Alright, so we've been able to um find out the way we can start this for free. So we are using Cloudflare workers, we are using Cloudflare queue. Alright. Alright, we are using, so this is actually very good, by the way. So it's going to show us the estimate. All right, so we can ask it, what about Vercel, Google AI Studio, which one? QStash. I think that's the spelling of QStash. It's yes, QStash. Okay, okay. So now, so that's why it's not actually just good to roll with what it says first. You need to challenge it too. All right, so can you see? All right, so QStash is good too. All right. So can you see? Now it has already re-strategized. So can you see? Now it says free, 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 low cost, free. But the last one, it was saying something like $60. So can you see that? So now we have our tools. So can you see our tools, the tools we're going to be working with? So this is exactly what you copy. So you're going to copy, you can copy, you can actually copy everything because you need all of this information, especially for Cursor and for Claude. And why you need it for Cursor is, this is what to tell Cursor the right infrastructure that you're going to use, the right codes to use, and the right things to use to build your app. So let's paste it here. So when we want to start building, I'm going to show you some one or two things. But in the next video, I'll be showing you um, prompt engineering, which is something that is very, very important. If you've never heard of prompt engineering, it's something that you need. It is something that you need. In the course of the tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use prompt engineering with AI, but you need to learn prompt engineering first. So prompt engineering is the art and science of designing and refining and optimizing inputs, which are prompts, to guide AI models, particularly LLMs, to produce accurate, relevant, and high quality output. So can you see this? So without this, you're just going to be dancing around. A project that is supposed to take like 2 days might end up taking like 2 months. Yup, that's how crazy it is. So see you in the next video.